Next up, we will add the most important part again is our images. Okay, so next, as usual, add the image target. Okay, add inside the AR camera. Hold on. Okay, image. And then add the quadrant. Okay. Let me add outside. Okay, I think I jumbled out. So bring it outside all the images. Okay. So for this particular one, let us drag here. Okay. So this one I will edit it to BC. Okay. And this will be BI. So as the same process just now, press 90° and 0.8. Okay. So now you already have one. But however, you wanted to add the image on top of it. So right here, as you can see, we need to add a new material. So let us add the material, and then this is the albedo. Add this image right here at the albedo part. Okay, and you will see something like this. You will check it out, the texture. Okay, so next we will head back to quadrant and then take this material and then add inside here. Okay, so you will see this is the texture of it. Okay, so now let us try it. So I will demonstrate to you guys again. Okay, you will see there's this sample here. All right, so that's for the tutorial for AR. Hope you guys like it. And during the next episode, it will be more about images, more about 3D objects. Okay. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to share. If you guys still don't understand or you need more assistance, like, because this is just a simple one, if you guys like facing issues like what kind of idea, what kind of creations should I like start to do, you feel free to reach out by the comments, because actually AR is a very advanced technology today. However, sometimes things didn't turn out well because not every phones, mobile devices that we have are able to run augmented reality apps. Okay, so I mean, yeah, feel free to reach out. You are facing issues, and then that's all from today. And don't forget to give a like to my video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.